The Magic of Christmas by Claire Friedman, illustrated by Gail Yerrill. The mice are out gathering holly as soft snowflakes swirl everywhere. There are hushed little whispers of Christmas and a magical feel in the air. Little Mouse shares the excitement as he scampers about in the snow. But what is the magic of Christmas? That's what he's longing to know. "It's sitting indoors," said Grandpa, "and letting the fire thaw your toes. It's the warm smell of baking and spices, deliciously tickling your nose." His brother squeaks, "Building a snowman and patting the snow into place, then dressing him up in a hat and a scarf with raisins and nuts for his face." It's going outdoors to play snowballs and throwing them all one by one. It's running away to hide by a tree. The best part of Christmas is fun. It's sledging downhill, laugh his cousins, to land in the soft sparkling snow. It's skating and sliding out on the ice. The magic is how fast we go. His sister says, "Christmas means presents and smuggling them home secretly, to wrap up in bright shiny paper with big love and kisses from me." It's soft voices singing, says Grandma, sweet carols all through the night, with little ones huddled together, warmed by our lantern's bright light. It's making our own decorations from ribbon and paper and glue. The magic's in sparkles and glitter and colorful paper chains too. It's hanging the tree lights, said Daddy, that twinkle and glow through the night. It's pinning the star on top of the tree. The magic of Christmas shines bright. "At last it is Christmas," smiles Mummy. "We're together in one happy house, sharing and feasting and opening gifts. The magic is love, little mouse." Our long happy day is now over. The silvery moon starts to rise. "Have you had fun?" Mummy asked Little Mouse. "It was magical," Little Mouse cries. Mummy Mouse smiles as she hugs him. The magic's in all that we do. With loved ones and friends all together we share a magic that lasts the year through.